In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add groups in Confluence. If you're managing teams or standardizing access across spaces, creating groups is the cleanest way to keep permissions organized and consistent. Let's walk through it together so you can set this up confidently. First, make sure you're logged in with admin permissions. Without admin rights, you won't see the options we're about to use. Head to your Confluence site and sign in as an administrator on the instance you manage. If you're unsure about your access, check with your site admin before proceeding so you don't get blocked later. Once you're in, open the administration area. Click your profile avatar in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Administration. Depending on your Confluence plan, it may be labeled slightly differently, but it will take you to the admin console where we can manage users and groups. Now, navigate to the Groups section. In the left-hand menu, go to Directory, then choose Groups. Here you'll see a list of all existing groups in your site, which is helpful if you want to avoid duplicating names or check how teams are already structured. To create a new group, click the Create Group button in the top right corner. A pop-up window will appear with fields to define your new group. This is where you set the basics and keep things clear for your organization. Enter a name for your group, such as Marketing Team. Choose something descriptive and consistent with your naming conventions, so it's easy to find later. The description field is optional, but I highly recommend adding a short note explaining the purpose of the group. That way, other admins immediately understand its intent. You can also add users right away by typing their usernames. If you don't have everyone's details handy, no problem, you can always add members later. Before we continue, a quick note. I've placed a link to the Confluence website at the top of the description, so you can access your site or learn more if you're new to the platform. It's right there for easy access. When you're ready, click Create. Your new group will appear in the list, confirming it's been set up successfully. Optionally, you can now assign permissions to this group. Go to Space Permissions to control access for a specific space, or Global Permissions for site-wide roles. Set what the group can do, such as view, edit, or admin, and be intentional. Grant only what's necessary to keep your spaces secure and tidy. That's it. You've added a group in Confluence and set it up the right way. Thanks for watching.